Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. Today, I'm here to share my experience with the Tesla wall connector. I decided to purchase this fantastic product. This is a quick unboxing. The box is extremely heavy, weighing almost 20 kilograms. Inside, we find the wall connector with a generous 7 meters of cable. Here, the inscription is wonderful, thanking us for helping to change the world towards electric. Inside, there's the classic manual with various instructions that we won't be reading. This is a practical plate to mount on the wall to serve as a cover, a truly impressive object. Even though it may not seem so, I was testing it from home before going to the garage, configuring the Wi-Fi. I connected the entire cable inside, and it worked fine. Here is the pulsating green light, indicating that everything is fully operational, awaiting a car to recharge. I started to encounter some initial problems with the connection to the device when trying it from home. Then I realized the problem. I was using a VPN, and the device couldn't connect through it. After a few frustrations, almost by accident, I managed to understand the problem. Once I disabled the VPN, everything went smoothly. There were various initial issues because it wouldn't connect to Wi-Fi initially. Removing the VPN made it a breeze. At first, I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't connect, but disconnecting the VPN made everything work smoothly. Wi-Fi connected, I checked for firmware updates, everything up to date. I checked all the grounding values, phase, and neutral. I had to choose the amperage for the wallbox configuration. Initially, I set it to 12 amps not to overdo it with energy input into the car. After doing some research, I decided to set it to 16 amps. There were other protections to prevent charging other cars, but I left them untouched because I only have one car in the garage. I modified the final parameter, set it to 16 amps for charging, saved it, and it's synchronized with the wall connector. Now it's ready for connection in the garage. I did all these configurations from home with the Wi-Fi connected. This is essentially the first startup, a bit nerve-wracking. Here's the setup, a 16-amp circuit breaker with 2 fuses to protect the system. This is the first startup of the wall connector in the garage, mounted on the wall with some difficulties using screws. Here's the pulsating light indicating a correct installation, and everything is ready for charging. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and now we wait for November 10, 2023, for the delivery of the Tesla. We'll do the first charge together. Goodbye.